Hello students, recently we completed coordinate geometry. In the next chapter I am going to start trigonometry. Today in this video I am giving some introduction to you. Trigonometry. What is trigonometry and what are the trigonometric ratios and its formulas? I will explain. Trigonometry is three-angle measurement. Tri is nothing but three. Gono, angle. Metry means measurement. Three-angle measurement. The definition of trigonometry is it is study about the relationship between angle and sides of a right angle triangle. That means it is applicable, the applications of trigonometry is applicable for the right angle triangle only. Study about the angles and sides. How many angles are there in triangle? Three angles. How many sides are there? Three sides. So let us check how it is. This is a triangle ABC. ABC. Three angles are there, that is angle A, and angle B. This is angle B, and this is angle C. In a right angle triangle, angle B, here this is 90 degrees, that is angle B equal to 90 degrees. And this is important, let this angle A is called theta. Angle is denoted by the letter theta. Let A equal to theta here. So one angle B is 90 degrees because of it is a right angle triangle, and let one angle, another angle is A is equal to theta. Note, in trigonometry you must focus on angle which is beside of right angle. What is right angle here? 90 degrees. Beside of right angle is nothing but this is. You must focus on theta. That means angle A only. Here AB is adjacent side of an angle theta. That is, according to the theta, AB is the adjacent side. And according to the theta, BC is opposite side. This is opposite side. And you know that it is AC is longest side is the hypotenuse. You remember these concepts. I separately explain about the triangle and its opposite and adjacent and how the hypotenuse are there. Theta opposite side is, this is arrow mark, observe the arrow mark, BC, that is opposite side, and theta, this is this side is adjacent side, and theta and this one is hypotenuse. With reference to theta only we are discussing. Next, trigonometric ratios. One tabular form has given here. Once observe that first one, number, serial number, what is the trigonometric ratio, and short form, what angle I have taken here, and notation and form. First one, trigonometric ratio. First trigonometric ratio is sine. Short form you can read it as SIN. Angle, I taken it as angle is theta. Sine form is with angle is sine theta. In sine theta, sine is trigonometric ratio. Sine is trigonometric ratio, and theta is angle. You can combine it as sine theta. Next one, 2 cosine, that is short form cos angle theta. We can write it as cos theta. Next one, third one, tangent, trigonometric ratio tangent, short form you can call it as tan. taken theta angle here, combinedly angle and trigonometric ratio tan theta. Fourth one, cotangent, short form cot, angle theta, and cot with angle is cot theta. Next one, fifth one, secant, and secant short form is SEC, angle theta, combined written as secant theta. Sixth one, cosecant, short form CSC or COSEC also we can write, angle theta and combined angle is cosecant theta, CSC theta. If you are observing the colors here, first one and sixth one are opposite. First one and sixth one opposite, trigonometric ratios and reciprocal is with each other. Second one and fifth one reciprocal. Third one and fourth one reciprocal. How it is reciprocal? Let us check here. ABC is a right angle triangle. This is the opposite side. Remember the point, very important. This is the adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin theta is formula opposite side by hypotenuse. Numerator is opposite, denominator is hypotenuse. Sin opposite is cosecant. Once observe here, cosecant is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. That means this is the reciprocal. Sin is the reciprocal of cosecant theta, or else cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Next one, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is here and hypotenuse is here. Next, cos theta angle, cos theta reciprocal is secant theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. These two are reciprocal with each other. Next one, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, tan theta, that is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta, tan theta reciprocal is cot theta, then adjacent by opposite. So these are the trigonometric ratios and its formulas. Remember the triangle and which one is opposite side and which one is hypotenuse. That's very important. Which one is adjacent? Hypotenuse is the common one and the longest side of the right angle triangle. That is the basic point. And when you identify the opposite and adjacent side, it is very easy to do the problems. Write on the classwork and read the formulas. Thank you, students.